Let us solve some more example to simplify the expressions. Here is the next example. 1 upon 2 minus 3 upon 5 into 2 upon 3. By using the rule for simplify an expression, we have to carry out the operation of multiplication first. Therefore, is equal to 1 upon 2 minus remains as it is the same. 3 upon 4, we have to carry the operation of multiplication between 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. The operation is of the multiplication 3 upon 5 into 2 upon 3. We know that when multiplying two fractions, we carry out the multiplications of numerators and denominators. 3 2 is 6 upon 5 3 is 15 is the product. Product of 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 3 is equal to 6 upon 15. Now here is the operation of subtraction between 1 upon 2 and 6 upon 15. We know both the fractions are unlike fractions, therefore it is necessary to make their denominators same. For making denominators same, we will multiply 1 upon 2 both the numerator and the denominator by 15, because 15 is the denominator of 6 upon 15. 1 into 15 upon 2 into 15 minus 6 upon 15. 6 and 15, both the numerators and the denominators will be multiplied by 2. 6 into 2 upon 15 into 2. Now the next step, 15 ones are 15 upon 15 twos are 30 minus 6 twos are 12 upon 15 twos are 30 is equal to. Now both the fractions are like fractions, therefore we will subtract only the numerators. 15 minus 12 is equal to 3 upon 30 will remains as it is the same denominator. 3 upon 30. 3 upon 30 means 1 upon 10, because both the numerator and denominator 3 and 30 are divisible by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 10 ja 30. Therefore 1 upon 10 is the answer of this expression. Now the next expression is here. Look at this example. 6 upon 7 plus 1 upon 3 divided by 4 upon 5. Here are the operations of addition and division. Therefore, we will carry out the operation of division first by using the rule. 6 upon 7 remains as it is the same, plus 1 upon 3 divided by 4 upon 5. We know the rule for carrying the division between both the fractions. To divide a fraction by other is to multiply the first fraction by the multiplicative inverse of the second. Therefore first fraction 1 upon 3 remains as it is the same. Division is converted into multiplication, and reciprocal of 4 upon 5 is equal to 5 upon 4. Now here the two operations are here in the expression, addition and multiplication. Therefore we will carry first multiplication. 6 upon 7 plus remains as it is the same. Multiplication 1 upon 3 into 5 upon 4. 1 into 5, 5 1 ja 5 upon 3 into 4, 4 3 ja 12. Now here is the addition between 6 upon 7 and 5 upon 12. We know both the fractions are unlike fractions, therefore we will multiply both the numerator and the denominators of the fraction by the denominator of the other. 6 into 12 upon 7 into 12 plus pi upon 10. Both 5 and 12 will be multiplied by 7. 5 into 7 upon 12 into 7. Now here 12 6 are 72 upon 12 7 are 84 plus 5 7 are 35 upon 12 7 are 84. Now here we obtain both the like fractions. 72 upon 84 plus 35 upon 84. When adding both the like fractions, we will add only their numerator. 72 plus 35, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 107 upon denominator remains as it is the same, 84. 107 upon 84 is the answer of this expression. 107 upon 84 is the answer.